In today's video, we will talk about what happens to your body if you drink bay leaf tea for 2 weeks. If you are looking for a natural recipe to boost immunity, improve digestion, reduce blood sugar, alleviate various respiratory conditions, combat fungal conditions, reduce stress and anxiety, fight inflammation, protect heart health and more, this bay leaf tea is perfect for you. It is made with simple ingredients that are readily available at home. There are many benefits of drinking bay leaf tea. Some of the most widely known benefits are: Number 1. Good for diabetes management. Are you having trouble managing your diabetes? Consuming bay leaves is ideal if you are at risk of getting diabetes or have already been diagnosed with the disease. It can help you manage type 2 diabetes by lowering your blood sugar levels. It can also help you lower your bad cholesterol levels. Number 2. Improves digestion. Bay leaves can help the gastrointestinal system by reducing stomach damage and encouraging urine. This aids in the removal of toxins from the body as well as the health of the kidneys. Furthermore, the chemical components present in bay leaves are particularly useful in alleviating stomach discomfort, relaxing irritable bowel syndrome, and even making meals easier to digest. Number 3. Treats respiratory conditions. Essential oil can also be found in bay leaf. This leaf's essential oil can be utilized to help with a variety of respiratory problems. Number 4. Fights against fungal infections. Bay leaf has been demonstrated to have antifungal properties, making it useful in the fight against fungus. These properties, together with the presence of vitamin C, help protect the skin against infection and irritation. Number 5. Helps reduce stress and anxiety. Are you constantly tense? If you answered yes, you should know that the compound linalool found in bay leaves can help to reduce tension and anxiety in the body. It also has natural calming properties that might help you relax and lessen your risk of depression. Number 6. Can control inflammation. Bay leaf contains sesquiterpene lactones, which have been shown to reduce inflammation by reducing nitric oxide synthesis, which is one of the causes of inflammation. Number 7. Protects heart health. Due to rutin and caffeic acid, both of which are found in bay leaves, the heart performs better. These characteristics can assist to strengthen the capillary walls of the heart and reduce harmful cholesterol levels. Number 8. Resolves hair issues. Bay leaves have a lot of properties that can help your hair develop and work wonders for it. To get rid of dandruff, simply steep bay leaves in water and then rub them on your scalp after shampooing. Number 9. Anti-cancer properties. Bay leaves have shown promise as an anti-cancer drug, according to the Journal of Nutrition Research. Bay leaves include a unique blend of antioxidants and organic compounds, including as phytonutrients, catechins, linalool, and parthenolide, which assist to protect your body from cancer-causing free radicals. With all of this in mind, please take a moment to enjoy our bay leaf tea recipe as you reflect on how incredible something so simple could be so impressive. Ingredients: 4 bay leaves, dry or fresh. 32 ounces water. Honey to taste. Optional ingredients: ginger, soursop leaves, lemongrass, mint leaves, cassia spice bark. Instructions: in a small pot, bring 32 ounces of water to a boil. Add the bay leaves to the water and boil for 3 minutes. If desired, at this point, you can add any or all of the optional ingredients. Remove from the heat, cover, and allow to steep for at least 5 minutes. The longer it soaks, the more profound the flavor. Strain out the liquid. Serve warm and sweeten with honey to taste. Notes: 1. This recipe can be prepared in big batches and stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. 2. To get an effective result, continue to drink this tea for 2 weeks. 3. Drink 1 cup of 180 milliliters 1/2 hour before bedtime, in a daily basis. 4. This bay leaves tea can be served as either cold or warm. 5. You can only warm the quantity that will be consumed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.